Hi Year 9, this is just a very quick re-record of Lesson 3. If you're in 9QE3, you will have had a version that it didn't capture the whole of the PowerPoint for some bizarre reason. So it's a re-record. So you'll do now is on the board, you can answer all those questions. So question 1, can you remember what a drawing room is? Question 2, what historical event did Mr. Burling discuss? And question 3, what did you learn about the relationships between some characters so far? So pause the video, answer those now. Okay, so we're continuing to work through Act 1, and in this lesson we're looking at the audiobook from 8 minutes and 1 second to 18 minutes and 22 seconds. You can do that using the audiobook on YouTube or and the copy of the play, both of which I put on YouTube in a very recent lesson. So you can just look back to find those. So watch that section now and unpause when you're ready. Okay, so summarise it in your own words. What have you learned in this section? Pause while you do that. And then the inspector. So based on the way he's described what he looks like and the way he's moving, which is in the stage descriptions. So when we listen to the audiobook, it won't tell you that, but when we look in the actual book, it will. So it's got stage directions, and I'm sure you should all know from your drama lessons what stage directions are, but there is a section which is here in the book, so you need to check through that in the online version of the play itself. I'll put a link onto BBC Bitesize as well there, so you can look at it like that. So draw a picture of the inspector based on that description. Pause while you do that, please. Okay, next it's answering the questions that are on the board. So there are 5 in total. Question 1, how was Eva Smith associated with Mr. Burling? Question 2, what did Mr. Burling do to her? Question 3, why did he do it? Question 4, do you think he appears to be taking any responsibility at this point in the play? And finally, question 5, why do you think the inspector only chooses to show the photograph to one person at a time? So answer those questions and then you are done for today. I'll see you next lesson. Take care.